Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's GlamByTai and I'm back with another video. So today's video is a hair project, but it's not like I'm switching anything up a little too OD. So this hair is from Yolissa's Hair. I have worked with this company a few times and I absolutely love them. They gave me a head wrap. They actually gave me a hair scarf, which is clutch because it's satin and y'all know that keeps our hair nice and protected. They gave me a pair of lashes with a little case, which I appreciate because I need somewhere to store my lashes, okay? They gave me an edge brush with, you know, the comb at the bottom, which is what I use to do my baby hairs, an adjustable strap to make the wig tighter, and actually a plastic bag to store the wig in. Okay, so as far as the wig goes, it is a 24-inch, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have all the details below, but it's a 24-inch and it's a water wave number 27, like a honey blonde color. It's super cute, but the roots for me, they wasn't given what they were supposed to be given, you feel me? And I hate when I'm doing baby hairs on like a light blonde hair or light blonde wig because the baby hairs just seem to be transparent with my skin. So I was like, you know what? Let me darken up the roots a little bit and get it going. Now, this wig is 180% density, so she's thicker than a Snicker child. Okay, so if you guys have seen my reverse ombre, I use this hair color as well. It is the Kiss Honey Brown, and I'm putting a little bit of that on a little cap. And literally the same edge brush that they had gave me in the box, I'm going to use that to apply. If you don't have an edge brush, of course, you can use a comb, you can use a toothbrush. Just keep in mind, you definitely want something that is very small and precise. And you definitely want to take your time. You do not want to dye the lace. You don't want to dye the lace. You don't want to fuck up the lace. So as y'all can see, I'm dipping the comb section in it. And I'm just, you know, it looks like I'm taking a lot, but I'm being very extra careful when I am applying it to the hair. Now, when you're doing any type of darkening of the roots, whatever, you definitely want to take your time. Like, I'm probably going to tell you guys all throughout this video, take your time, because it's literally like, it's not rocket science, but you could fuck it up. You feel me? So, and also keep in mind, you could like extend your roots however long you want them. I was just trying to keep it real cute and simple, but just doing probably like an inch of dark root, not even. So as you guys see me, I'm taking the hair dye, I'm putting it on the back of the comb, and I'm literally just raking the comb through. I'm not going completely to the root of the lace. I'm actually starting like midway and then going on ahead and bring it back up to the root, if that makes sense. You don't want to just put the hair dye directly on the root where the lace is, because then you're gonna dye the fucking lace. You're gonna fuck it up. You're gonna fuck it up regardless. So yeah, keep that in mind. And then I just keep going through each section. Like, I take a little bit of hair from that section, dye it, dye the front, dye the side, do it again. Okay, I can show you way better than I can tell you, sis. So just keep watching.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe.
All right, so once everything is dyed and oxidizes, this is what it looks like. It looks a little bit darker, but once you wash it out, I promise you it's not as dark as what it looks like, okay? I probably let this sit on for like 10-15 minutes, and then I washed it out. Now, the good thing about water wave hair that I personally like myself, water wave hair is one of those wigs that you could wear curly, but then you could also straighten. So if y'all see the top of that wig, this is what the roots look like, okay? Very nice. And bomb, cute. I love it. Now it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. You feel me? But the top of the wig, from me plucking it, because I did customize this wig myself, I did not bleach the knots because it's already blonde, but I did go ahead and pluck it. The plucking of it and the hot comb literally turned the front of the frontal like straight, like blowed out kind of situation. So I love that about water wave hair. It's very versatile. You can wear it wet, you can wear it straightened, you can wear it like in a blown out style. It's very versatile if you're just like, all right, I want to have a curly wig for vacay, but then mid vacay you like, oh, I want to straighten my hair. Get you one of these water wave wigs. So what y'all see me doing here, child, I am just cutting my ear tabs off. Now this wig is a small cap size and it fit my head perfectly. Literally to a T fit my head, and I got a small head, so I'm like, oh, all right, great. I cut my ear tabs off, and now I'm just measuring both sides to see how exactly I want to lay this wig. Now you can see on that side my balding cap was kind of showing through the lace. That's how good, first of all, that's how good this lace is, okay? Balding cap was showing through the lace. It's giving scalp mama, okay? So I went on ahead and cut a little bit of my balding cap off so you wouldn't see it through the lace.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
Now I'm going to be using my bow hold lace glue, and I already went on ahead and cut the lace off, the excess lace off of this wig, and I'm laying everything down, making a nice thin layer, because that's what we want when we're working with lace glue. We want thin layers. Make sure y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all want me to try out lace tape, because I've literally never in my years of working with wigs never used lace tape. So y'all gotta put me on something new. Comment down below, let me know if y'all use it, brands that y'all like, etc. But for now, I'm just doing I think I did 3 to 4 layers of my lace glue, making sure that that's nice and smooth, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. Now that my lace glue is completely clear, like you can't see it, I'm just gonna blend my lace literally into my scalp. Okay, look at that. Look. Period. I'm taking my comb, I'm laying everything down. And also, you guys, I want to let y'all know that my website just dropped, GlamByTai.com. Make sure y'all go on ahead and check that out. I'll have it in the description. All of my wigs that you guys see me review, yeah, they're on there. So go shop some wigs, child.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style,
Now, if y'all peeped, I did not draw an outline as to where this wig is going to lay. So this is all just like a freehand kind of situation. So, of course, it's not always going to lay down. So if y'all see me pulling the hair back, that little flap right there in the middle, yeah, y'all see it? Yeah, it's bugging the fuck out of me, okay? But I wanted to make sure that my ear tabs are laid down. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my lace glue because I seen that it was lifting. Now, had I had measured everything, I probably would not have to go back and do this, but you know, shit happens. So I'm taking a little bit, like 2 little dots of my lace glue, and I'm going to blend that in until it's completely clear to lay that little flap right back down. I'm taking the nice little lovely scarf, head wrap, whatever that they gave me, and I'm going to tie my hair up and take that head wrap. I'm going to wrap it around my head and tie my lace down for probably about 10-15 minutes, child. I don't even really be paying attention to time. Once I feel like, all right, that shit tight enough and it's laid down, I'll take it off. It's giving what it needed to give. Okay, this is just a fresh taking off the head wrap. This is what it looks like. Now it's time to work on our baby hairs, because y'all know that extenuates a wig, like for me at least. I'm taking the same little edge brush, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I did clean it, okay, because this is the same brush that we use for the hair dye. I cleaned it off, and now I'm just taking out you know, specific little hair spots and stuff that's going to be our baby hairs. Alright, so now to cut my baby hairs, I'm going to use the eyebrow razor. And I'm just cutting them in a jagged, like, form, child. There's no rules to this, okay? Just cut them how, just don't cut them too short. That is a rule. Don't cut them too short, child. You can never come back from that. But I'm taking my little curling iron wand, whatever you want to call it, and it's super little. So I decided to curl the baby hairs upwards. Does it matter if you curl them upwards or downwards? I know I'm going to get a question like that. And honestly, mama, como se dice, yo no sé. I really don't know if it makes a difference if you curl them up or down. But, you know, I decided to do it up. Whatever you decide is on you, child. I'm taking a little bit of my Gorilla Snot Gel, and I'm just literally whipping it into the motion that I want and creating the shape of the baby hair. So sometimes when I do my baby hairs, I do realize like the lace does kind of lift a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll take a pair of scissors and I'll just cut that little excess lace that did not lay completely down. I don't know if this was because I did not draw my outline of where my lace is or where my lace goes. But either way, I made it work. And I also went back in with an eyebrow razor and just cut some more baby hairs off. Like, you literally have to play with your baby hairs and get the look that you want. But yeah, guys, here I'm taking a little bit more hair out, just trying to figure out how I'm gonna lay this. Okay, honestly, how am I going to lay this? I did go ahead and curl every single piece, and for these side pieces I curled them inwards because, like I said, I don't know if it makes a difference if you curl it up or down or, you know, whatever. But honestly, I'm trying it out. I'm gonna try this method every video that I do. I just want to get like a more natural kind of baby hair look, and I feel like lately I've just been studying more on natural baby hairs rather than like wig baby hairs, if that makes sense. All right, so once I get my baby hairs to lay exactly how I want them, perfected them, everything like that, I'm going to take that same head wrap that we used to lay down lace to lay down our baby hairs. Now, key to this is you're going to want to put this motherfucker tight as hell. Anytime you put your head wrap on to lay down your lace, you're going to want to put it tight. Make sure that motherfucker feel like your brains is ready to bleed out. Okay, then we're good to go. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. This is how I got dark roots on my 27 blonde, honey blonde wig. It came out super cute. I did go on ahead and straighten it because, like I said, with a wave, you could straighten, you could keep it curly. It's up to you, but make sure y'all go on ahead and check out my Instagram at @GlamByTai for more pictures of this wig, especially in its natural state. I will have everything for Yolissa's hair down in the description. Make sure y'all check out my website at @GlamByTai so y'all can go on ahead and start shopping y'all wigs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.